In this video, I will show you how to fix hyping in Windows 11. Fix hyping in Windows, try restarting your computer and router. Start from the basic checks and reboots. Restart your computer, restart your router, and check your internet connection. Now, if this doesn't work, you can go ahead and proceed with the next, which will require you to use a wired connection. If possible, connect to your network using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi, as wired connections are generally more stable. If this doesn't work, you can also proceed with the next one, which will require you to use a faster DNS server. So in here, just go ahead and search for network connection. So the network connections can also be found on the control panel of your PC or laptop. So just go ahead and search for network connections, since on the network connections page, you'll be able to find the internet connections where your PC or laptop is currently connected. So in here, what you'll need to do is to just go ahead and right click on the current internet connection that your PC or laptop is connected to. So I'll just simply right click on this and this will pop up on my screen. So go ahead and click on properties. Now on properties, go ahead and look for IPv4 on this list. So once you have found IPv4 from this list, go ahead and click on that, and in here, just go ahead and check use the following DNS server address. Set the DNS server address into 111 and the alternate DNS server into 1001. Now you can also use the Google public DNS, which is 888 for the preferred DNS server and the 8844 for the alternate DNS server. Now once you have entered this on the DNS server address, just go ahead and click on that OK button to apply this for your device. And that is how you can simply fix hyping in Windows. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.